before I approach your bench, I was appearing specially today, and not generally, and also.
What do you mean you're appearing specially today? Let him speak.
I was just letting you know here, appearing specially today, and that also you didn't mention what case number you're talking about.
This is 26 TRD 02043. Do you have more than one case number that you're involved with?
I asked, and they said that this is only one, but to correct the record, I do believe that there's something going on that's within this that we can talk about it when I get.
Well, you're going to end up having a seat at the table, a council table. The defendant's charged with driving on FRA suspension, driving without a valid operator's license, and improper display of license plates. We're scheduled for a trial to the court today, Mr. Messina. Who's here on behalf of the state? Ms. Yeager's here on behalf of the state. Is the state, well, how do you want to proceed, Mr. Messina? Do you intend to have a trial? Do you want to change your plea? It doesn't look like they're going to be dismissing it.
Well, I'd like to just get it, solve it right now. I'd like to go ahead and solve it and try it right now, because the officer's statement and the time and location of everything is completely contradictory towards every different log. He had a CAD log. He said it was 17.
Well, before we get into the weeds on this thing,
okay.
You do intend to pursue a trial?
No, I don't believe we need to take time out of the court's time and money for one.
Well, there are three things that are going to happen. Well, four things that are going to happen today. One, we're going to have a trial, and the state's going to call its witness, and you're going to be able to cross-examine your accuser, call your own witnesses, testify on your own behalf. Number two, they're going to dismiss it, which they're not going to do. Number three, you can change your plea from not guilty to guilty or no contest, in which case, if I enter convictions, I'll impose sentence and we'll resolve the matter today. Or four, you can ask for continuance.
Well, here, I'll show you this. One second, please. We can't do a continuance because this paper here, it don't have your signature on it, but it was in the paperwork.
Is that the notice to...
It was...
Can you show that to the bailiff?
This here is... give me 1 second. And also, here's the evidence. I was trying to give it before... I was running a little late, but when I got here, I was trying to get this into this video here of the Speedway.
When we actually have the trial, Mr. Messina, then you can certainly testify as to your exhibits.
Real quick, though, just because the FRA suspension it was due to maybe some mistake. Maybe they had child support because my child support is paid automatically, right? So there must have been a mistake down here. But here's this right here. It has no signature on it, and it says judgment entry granted, and then it says denied. It says your request for a continuance is granted. No further continuances of your arraignment will be granted. Failure to appear for arraignment will result in a forfeiture of defendant's operator's license and warrant to defendant's arrest, or both, whichever may apply to the
I'm looking at the document myself, Mr. Messina, and what that is it's an entry granting your request to continue your initial appearance.
Well, then it says this. Your request is denied.
Is that box checked?
And then
Mr. Messina,
neither box is checked.
That's not true.
This here.
May I see it?
Yes, I do. It says neither box is checked, and there's no signature from anybody on this whatsoever. But there's a stamp that backdates the 26th.
May I see it, please?
Yes. And also, I got more for you.
Well, hold on a minute. Let's do one thing at a time.
Yes, sir.
This is your copy that you got from my clerk when you submitted it. I have the entry that has my signature, a second file stamp on there after I granted your motion.
Well,
and let's face it, we're wasting time here.
Well,
if you want a trial, we're going to have a trial. Ms. Yeager, did you need to ask for continuance?
Because I'm not done talking,
Your
sir.
Honor, if he would
You
like,
are for the moment, okay?
If Mr. Messina would like to contest the charges, we would need to continue it in order to subpoena Officer Beach. This is, I believe, the first time that we've been here on the record post his arraignment, and he did ask for a continuance pro se back towards the end of April in order to prepare his defense, but he didn't indicate for sure that he wanted to contest it, so we did not subpoena Officer Beach today.
All right, so Mr. Messina, they're asking the court to continue this. Do you have a position on that? Do you object? Are you okay with it?
I object to it.
On what basis?
The basis I object to it is that, like you said, we don't want to waste the court's time. So, I don't want to end this right now. We might as well, I don't want to continue this. I would like to end it now instead of continue more. That's even more wasting time, court, and money. I say that being this mistake here, because your record, right? I need to have the record too because I'm the person being charged, cited with something.
You can ask for a copy of the court's file when you go down to the clerk's office. The court's already granted you 2 continuances, and I think it's only fair that I grant the state. Can you stop talking over me?
You're talking over me, I apologize.
No, you're talking over me. I'm trying to tell you what's going to happen next. I've already granted you 2 continuances. It's only fair that I grant the state 1 at this time. Your objection is noted for purposes of the record.
But this was due process, and I didn't have a fair trial. I have a right to due process and fair trial.
You do, and you're going to get your trial the next time we come back.
But I'm not done speaking.
Can you confirm your address for me, please?
Can I talk, please?
I asked you a question.
What's
Can you
that?
confirm your address for me, please?
I had a house fire, so due to the house fire, I do not have an address
Do
right
you have
now.
a mailing address?
I'm getting a P.O. box.
You
It's a
know-
P.O. box,
Okay.
but
You need to let us know, because the only way we have to notify you of future court dates is through the mail.
I
Okay?
had left my phone number on the file that you have of my copy. My copy.
I handed your copy back, sir. It's in your hand. That is the one.
All right.
All
I
right.
apologize that, but
No, you're fine.
Can I
I'm going to
finish?
continue your bond as previously said as a recognizance bond. Unless the state demands discovery from you, you don't have to turn over anything before the trial, and you can certainly testify as to whatever exhibits you want that are relevant, okay?
okay, can I speak, please? Can I be heard? Thank you. All right, so I have, what I'm trying to get to is that I want a fair trial, or not a fair trial, this is my trial right here. It says it in this paperwork.
It's scheduled for trial, you're right.
And this is, says it right here. There's no trial after this. This is it. I'm supposed to be tried here.
By that logic, Mr. Messina, then there should have been no trial after you asked for the continuance of the trial the last time.
That wasn't the trial. That
Yes,
my
it was.
First appearance.
No, you've asked for
I
a
can
continuance
prove
of
that.
both your trial and your arraignment.
I can-
We'll
I
get you a
can
copy of the court file so you can
Hey,
have all
sir,
those records.
we
But the
can't
court's
move
going
on.
to go ahead and move on, and
We
you may
can't
go with the
move on
bailiff,
here.
sir.
This right here is there.
Sir.
If you don't.
We're recording everything, Mr.
That's
Messina, and
fine.
you'll have a right to appeal any decisions made by this court that are adverse to you to the
I
Licking
just
County
wanna
Court of
put- I
Appeals.
wanna put it
But for
on the
now,
record, though.
turn around and look. You've got a bunch of other people who
I
have business
understand
before
that.
the
I
court,
understand that,
and
but
we've
I-
concluded your hearing for
You've been
today.
heard.
You've been heard, and we've concluded your
Okay.
hearing for today.
Last-
You need to
last
go
thing
with
to
the
go.
bailiff. No, you may not. You need to go with the bailiff.
All right. Well, hey.
Now,
Terry Clymer.
please.
Case number 26 TRD 1549. Mr. Clymer, come on up and have a seat. All right. You're Mr. Clymer, correct?
Yes.
All right. We're scheduled for a trial today. I don't have a motion to dismiss, and I don't have a change of plea form. Are you asking for another continuance?
Yes, sir, to get valid.
This is Ms. Yeager's case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Yeager, does the state have a position?
We have no objection. He believes he can get his SR-22 situation taken care of by the time we return.
All right. Can you confirm your address for me, Mr. Clymer?
112 South 35th Street,
City and state?
Newark, Ohio.
All right, I'll go ahead and I'll continue it today, but this will be the second time we've continued it, so probably next time we either need to have a trial or a change of plea.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I didn't realize that was an option. I think I should have kind of listened better last time I was in here, that I can get valid and then we can maybe,
At this point, I'm sure that the Assistant Law Director has informed you, their policy is dismissal on the first appearance after the arraignment. If a defendant asks for a continuance and then is able to get valid, they won't dismiss it, but their position is that they'll ask the court not to impose any fine, just the court cost. Okay? All right, so we were scheduled for, what time were these set for? 10:30. Okay, I'll continue this. I'll continue the bond as previously set, and we'll get you notice in the mail of your next court hearing. Do you have any other questions today?
no, sir.
All right, tell you what, have a seat where you were before.